Okay, we're ready to turn the water back on. All right, so turn the water back on. And if you read in the directions, it'll tell you 3/4 of an inch. You want the water below the top of this plastic. And years ago, they used to say an inch. Well, now it says 3/4 in the directions for the last one I did for my mother, which was maybe 6 months ago. We're just gonna see. We're just gonna see what happens here, okay? And I used to get my tape measure out and measure an inch. Because see, with an inch, if you have it any lower than that, then maybe you don't get enough water to flush your toilet down all the way, and then you're finding out you're flushing your toilet too many times, and now you're wasting water. But you don't necessarily have to have the water all the way up to the top or 1/4 inch down, because if you can imagine a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch of water throughout this whole thing, that's a lot of water every flush that you're wasting. You see what I mean? So we're going to see what happens. Okay, right now I've got about 3/8 of an inch. 3/8 of an inch there. You see? And I can make that better. Now, how am I going to make that better? Remember, I've been playing with this rod, okay? So that means the float, I want to go down, right? 3/8 of an inch. So I have to look at this, and I think I unscrew it. Okay, and yeah, all right. So now I'm going to flush it again, but I'm not going to waste all the water. I'm going to put my hand down there, just so I don't waste all that water to get the thing. Okay, we're going to check it this time. He's being a plumber. This is what you have to do. This is what the plumber would have to do. And he's going to take $175 to $200 out of your pocket too. For one toilet, I'm sure that's about how much he's going to charge you. Okay, I'm going to look, and let's get you down there. I'm just going to leave you about right there. Okay, I didn't go far enough, did I? Okay, so I got to remember, I forget now which way I went. Dabbity nabbit. I think I unscrewed it. Okay. Okay, so I'm just unscrewing it like I would a screwdriver. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Okay. All I'm doing is manually putting the flapper down so I don't have to flush all the water out. Now, if you can't get yours adjusted within 3/4 to an inch of the top of there, that means you've got this down too low. All right. Now we look at it. Okay, you see how we got more water? We got more water now, okay?